Okay, fine. So I can see some of new faces in the class. All right. So today we are going to practice some of the MCQs from Science 1 subject. Okay. So we're going to practice uh, MCQs from chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 1 of Science 1 is gravitation. So here we go. And I hope you know how to answer. You have to answer the complete word instead of just saying A, B, C, D option. You have to write the complete answer in the chat box. Is that clear to everyone? Shall we start? Everyone done with the record? Everyone done with your attendance? And I will request all of you to please keep your mic off throughout the session. Okay. All right. I think everybody has put the attendance in the chat box. All right. So students, first question is, the phenomena of gravitation was discovered by. So what is the answer? Who discovered the gravitation? All right. Option C, Sir Isaac Newton. Right. Okay. Anuj, don't just write the option C. Okay, you have to write complete name or word, whatever it is. Okay. So option C is correct. Let me just take it. Then question number 2. A force acts on any object moving along a circle and it is directed towards the center of the circle. This is called dash dash force. Which force? Centripetal, centrifugal, gravitation, or circular? Okay. So few of you are giving answer. All of you are giving answer centripetal, and centripetal is the correct answer. So option A is correct here. Let's go to the next question. Question 3. Before Galileo, all observations of the planet's positions were made with telescope, microscope, binoculars, or naked eyes. Which option is correct? Naked eyes. All right. So can you explain in short the difference between centripetal and centrifugal force? Yeah, I would have described, I would have explained it, but I guess we don't have time to explain the things. Okay, so I will just go with the questions as of now. You can join the classes where we teach actual subject. Is that okay? Sound is not hearing. Is that for everyone? I hope. Okay, okay. The sound is clear, right? So option D is correct. Naked eyes, right? Fourth question. According to Kepler's first law, the orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the dash dash at one of the foci. It is Sun. Right. First of all, orbit of any planet is it circular or is it elliptical? It is elliptical, and we know that ellipse has two foci. Right. So Sun is at one of the foci. So option A is correct. That is Sun. Fine. Fifth question. According to Kepler's second law, the line joining the planet and the sun sweeps equal dash dash in equal intervals of time. So what equal? Equal distance, equal area, equal velocity, or equal lengths? Equal areas, right? So according to second law of Kepler, the line joining, just do the correction here, okay? It is joining areas. Okay. Sixth question. Johannes Kepler has stated dash dash laws of planetary motion. 2, 3, 4, 5. How many laws are there in your book? 3 laws are there, right? So option B is correct. That is 3 laws. Question 7th. Every object in the universe dash dash every other object with a definite force, whether it destroys, attracts, repels, or none of the above. Yeah, it attracts. Every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force. So option B is correct, attracts. Let's move further. In the given formula, G is constant of proportionality and it is called dash dash. So first of all, we don't have any formula here. So let me just write the formula. This formula is F is equals to capital G multiplied with M1 into M2 divided by D square, right? So G is what? Capital G is universal gravitational constant, right? And what is M1 and M2 in this formula? What is M1 and M2? Masses of the respective objects, right? Yeah, masses of the two bodies. And what is D? D is the distance between them, right? Okay, so which option is correct for question number 8? Universal gravitational constant. Then, ninth question. The value of G was first experimentally measured by Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Henry Cavill, Henry Cavendish. Okay, is it Henry Cavendish or is it Isaac Newton? Are you sure? Henry Cavendish? Okay. So everybody is giving answer Henry Cavendish, so that means it should be the correct option. So option D is correct one, that is Henry Cavendish. Fine. Let's take the new question. Next question. The gravitational force is much dash dash than other forces in nature. Whether it is stronger, weaker, powerful, or none of the above, it is weaker. Right? It is weaker as compared to other forces in nature, but it is long distance force. Like it affects long distance objects as also, right? It is weaker. So option B is correct. Then question 11th. The Earth attracts every object near it towards itself because of the dash dash force, magnetic force, electric force, gravitational force, or any mystical force. It is gravitational force. Earth attracts every object near it towards itself because of the gravitational force. Correct, very good. So जो लोग आंसर नहीं दे रहे हैं चैट बॉक्स में, may I know the reason? मतलब कुछ लोग ही आंसर्स दे रहे हैं. I can see the repeated names. Okay, but that's not the issue. Please give answers, everyone. Question 12th. The gravitational force due to the dash dash also acts on the moon, because of which it revolves around the Earth. So what is the correct answer? Earth itself, right? Yeah. Because of Earth's gravitational force, moon revolves around Earth. Right. Sorry. Option B is correct. Next question, students. The moon and dash dash satellites orbit the Earth. Phobos, Ganymede, Titan, or artificial? Which option is correct? Artificial satellite, right. How many satellites do Earth have? Natural satellites, only one, right? And that is moon. All other satellites are artificial satellites or man-made satellites, right? So option D is correct. Then question 14th is, which statement is incorrect according to universal law of gravitation? So first of all, read the sentences, all of the sentences, any of them can be incorrect. So first sentence is, acts between earth and moon, or it acts between any two objects having moon, or it acts here it should be mass. Okay, it should be mass. Instead of moon, it should be mass. It acts between any two objects having mass. Then option C is, it acts between earth and artificial satellites. And the last one, it acts between two electric charged objects. So fourth option is incorrect, right? Fourth option is incorrect. Any doubt? Any doubt in this question? Like I didn't understand the question or something like that? I hope not. Okay, so everyone, can you please write the answer? Only two answers are there in the chat box. लिखो आंसर्स, लिखो चैट बॉक्स में. ऑप्शन डी. ओके, एटलीस्ट डी तो लिखो, थोड़ा सा टाइप करने के लिए बड़ा है ना, सो यू कैन राइट डी, नो प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 15th क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो सिर्फ इसी क्वेश्चन के लिए डी लिखना है, बाकी क्वेश्चंस के लिए आपको आंसर ही लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके ओके, जस्ट अ सेकंड. ऑलराइट, so g is equals to 9.832 meter per second square. This value of gravity is dash dash, is at dash dash of the earth. So it's quite a tricky question. So one student have given the answer, that is equator, and all of them, all of you are following it. Okay, now Manan gives something different answer, that is center of earth. Is it? Students, think about it and then give the answer. It is quite a tricky question, you know. Let us suppose, okay, we'll try to go in depth of this question. First of all, what is the value of g normally? What is the value of small g? Anybody knows? किसी को पता है? 9.77. 9.77 is the value of g. 9.77 meter per second square. Right. So मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, value of g is 9.77 meter per second square. Okay. Now anybody knows formula for small g? छोटे g के लिए किसी को फॉर्मूला पता है? अगर नहीं पता है तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, स्मॉल g is equals to capital G multiplied with capital M divided by R square. Now what is capital G here? Capital G is universal gravitational constant, right? Okay, somebody has now got to the answer, that at the two poles of the earth. But how you are giving answer? Can you explain how the value of gravity is this much at two poles of the earth? Anvay, if you're comfortable turning on your mic, that's also fine. First of all, write your name in the chat box. As the latitude decreases. Okay, fair, a fair answer. Very good. So see, normal value of g is 9.77 meter per second square. So students, now you observe this value and tell me whether this value has increased or decreased. ये जो नॉर्मल वैल्यू है, इस वैल्यू के कंपैरिजन में ये जो मैंने यहाँ पे वैल्यू लिखी है, टाइप की है, ये वैल्यू इंक्रीज हुई है या फिर डिक्रीज हुई है? ये आंसर आप दे सकते हो अभी चैट बॉक्स में, वेदर इट हैज इंक्रीज्ड और डिक्रीज्ड. हाउ इट इज डिक्रीज्ड वेदांत? इट पहले 9.77 थी, अभी 9.832 है, सो ये डिक्रीज हुई वैल्यू. 9.77 से अगर वैल्यू 9.832 है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इट हैज इंक्रीज्ड. एवरीबडी इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग? मैंने जो बोला सबको समझ में आया? अगर किसी को नहीं आया तो चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हो, नो सर. ओके, सबको समझ में आया, दैट्स वेरी गुड. All right, and I'm very happy that you are responding in the chat box and you are not turning on your mic. Okay, so I'm very happy. So see, value यहाँ पे increase हुई है. Now observe this formula. Observe this formula. तो value increase अभी इस g की वैल्यू इंक्रीज हुई है, तो इस g की वैल्यू को इंक्रीज होने के लिए किस चीज को बढ़ना पड़ेगा या फिर किस चीज को कम होना पड़ेगा? या तो इस g को बढ़ना पड़ेगा, कैपिटल G को, राइट, इसको बढ़ना पड़ेगा। इज इट पॉसिबल, कैन इट इंक्रीज, ये इंक्रीज हो सकता है क्या, कैपिटल G इंक्रीज हो सकता है क्या? नहीं हो सकता। क्यों नहीं हो सकता? बिकॉज इट इज कांस्टेंट, इसका नाम ही कांस्टेंट है ना, यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट। एंड वन मोर थिंग स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी जस्ट warn you about, see, I think it has started raining outside, so it may happen that electricity might go, and we may have interruption in the class. Okay, so in that case, nobody will turn off his or her mic. Please wait for 1 or 2 minutes. कुछ देर के लिए wait कीजिएगा, मैं तुरंत रिटर्न आ जाऊंगा. Okay, this is just a uh, short, like what we can say, notification or notice, whatever it is. ठीक. So G cannot be increased. Capital G cannot be increased. Now what about M? Capital M can be changed. Whether it can change. M change हो सकता है क्या? Put your answers. Okay, Sahil says yeah, it can be changed. All others are saying no, it cannot be changed. Sahil, the answer is it cannot be changed. M is what? M is mass of that particular object. In this case, mass of Earth. So Earth का mass हम change कर सकते हैं? How can we change? No, we cannot change. So G cannot be changed. M cannot be changed. Now sir, can we change R? हम R change कर सकते हैं? नहीं, हम R भी change नहीं कर सकते. So value change कैसे हो रही है? How the value is changing? The reason behind this is Earth is bulgy at equator. मतलब क्या? अर्थ इक्वेटर पे कैसी है, थोड़ी सी फुली हुई है, एंड एट द पोल्स इट इज फ्लैटर, मतलब थोड़ी सी ऐसी चपटी है पोल्स पे, दोनों पोल्स पे. तो ऑब्वियसली इक्वेटर पे जो रेडियस रहेगी, इक्वेटर पे रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ एंड पोल्स पे रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ, मुझे बताइए कौन सी रेडियस ज्यादा रहेगी, विच रेडियस विल बी मोर? रेडियस एट इक्वेटर. इक्वेटर पे जो रेडियस है वो ज्यादा रहेगी, बराबर ना. सो इक्वेटर पे रेडियस ज्यादा है, तो पोल्स पे रेडियस कम है. सो रेडियस अगर कम हो रही है, इस फॉर्मूला में रेडियस कम हो रही है, तो जी की वैल्यू क्या होगी, इंक्रीज होगी या फिर डिक्रीज होगी? आर की वैल्यू कम हो रही है, आर इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर. सो डिनोमिनेटर की वैल्यू जब कम होती है तो आंसर बढ़ता है या फिर कम होता है? ऑब्वियसली इट इंक्रीज होता है ना. यस और नो? डिनोमिनेटर की वैल्यू अगर कम होती है तो आपका आंसर कैसे होगा, बढ़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लीजिए, लेट अस सपोज आप आपके घर में पिज्जा ले आए, ठीक है, यू यू हैव पिज्जा एंड यू मेक 6 पीसेस ऑफ इट, मतलब उसके आपने 6 टुकड़े कर लिए, ठीक है. अभी 6 पीसेस शुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग 6 पीपल. सो एक पर्सन को कितने कितने पीसेस आएंगे, 1 पीस पर पर्सन, राइट. अभी मान लीजिए 3 लोगों ने बोला मुझे नहीं खाना है. सो अभी बचे कितने लोग, 3 लोग बचे. सो 3 लोगों के लिए कितने पीसेस आए, ईच 2 पीसेस, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर कम हुआ, तो लोग कम हुए तो वैल्यू बढ़ गई. तो इसी तरीके से आर की वैल्यू जब कम होगी, see when this r decreases, this g will increase, and you can apparently see it was 9.77 and it has become 9.832. That means it has increased. So the answer should be what? ये वैल्यू कहां पे होनी चाहिए फिर, एट द इक्वेटर और एट द पोल्स? इट शुड बी एट द पोल्स. अभी भी किसी को कोई डाउट है? The value, that is g is equals to 832 meter per seconds, should be at the 2 poles of earth. All right, अभी मुझे बताओ वैल्यू ऑफ g एट द इक्वेटर कितनी रहेगी, 9.77 से ज्यादा रहेगी या फिर कम रहेगी, या फिर 9.77 रहेगी? एट इक्वेटर, मैं इक्वेटर पे पूछ रहा हूं. इट शुड बी सेम, इट शुड बी लेस आई गेस. 9.77 से कुछ लेस रहेगी, राइट. चलो ठीक है, लेट्स गो फर्दर नाउ. 15 क्वेश्चन हो गया, आई होप सबको समझ में आया, किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है, ऐसा आपने किसी ने कुछ लिखा नहीं है तो मैं समझ के चल रहा हूँ कि किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है. ओके, सो द 16th question is the square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of mean distance of a planet from the sun. So this law relates to which of the following law? Kepler's third law, right? दो लॉ तो हमने देख लिए हैं, अभी बचा कौन सा? थर्ड लॉ. So answer should be third law. This is the correct answer, C. Next question, students. High and low tides of sea is effect due to gravitational force of dash dash. Moon, right? So moon is the correct answer. 18th question. The value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum at the center of the earth, equal at equator and poles, minimum at equator, minimum at poles. No, uh, it should be minimum at equator. We have just seen the explanation why it is so. हमने अभी अभी एक एक्सप्लेनेशन देखा ना, तो वैल्यू मिनिमम कहाँ पे होनी चाहिए? इक्वेटर पे मिनिमम वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. Alright, so let's go further. Minimum at equator, that is option C. Okay, 19th question. The value of universal gravitational constant G on the moon is 1 by 6th of the that of earth, 6 times on the earth, equal to the value on the earth, twice of the value on the earth. सो आप ए बी सी डी भी आंसर लिख सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको जरूरी नहीं ये पूरा लिख दो, क्योंकि इसको सेंटेंस थोड़ा सा बड़ा है ना. सो यू कैन राइट ओनली ऑप्शन लाइक ए बी सी डी. ओके, एवरीबॉडी इज सेइंग 1 by 6th, 1 by 6th. Really? 1 by 6 is the correct answer? Anybody has any different answer? 6 times on the earth. Okay, we have a different answer. Great. Any other answers? Students, there are approx 27 of you. Okay, and I can see only answers from 8 to 9 students. So what all other 20 students are doing? बाकी 20 students क्या कर रहे हैं? Okay, somebody has given answer that is equal to value on earth. Okay, and Anvay Maekar. Sorry if I'm wrongly pronouncing your name. Okay, so which option is correct? Which option? We don't have S option, Vedant. I know you wanted to give A option as answer, right? Okay, so students, read the name again. Read the name again, the quantity. Exactly. See, if you can read the answer from Anvay, that is because of universal gravitational constant never changes, but acceleration due to gravity changes planet to planet. Now we have seen formula for both of them, na? Right? I think we haven't seen formula for universal gravitational constant G, because we don't have any formula for that. It is a constant, and we don't need formula for constant, do we? Right? So इसका नाम ही कांस्टेंट है, और इसके नाम में यूनिवर्सल भी है, ग्रेविटी भी है, कांस्टेंट भी, मतलब तीनों टर्म्स है. सो इसका मतलब क्या है? आप कहीं भी जाइए यूनिवर्स में, दिस वैल्यू विल नेवर चेंज. दिस वैल्यू विल नेवर चेंज. डू यू एग्री विथ मी? Anybody has any doubt? यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट विल चेंज नोवेयर, मतलब कहीं पे भी वो चेंज नहीं होगा. इट विल बी कांस्टेंट एवरीवेयर. Now, what about 1 by 6 of that of Earth, 6 time on the Earth? That is about mass. That is about weight. No, sorry, mass भी constant रहेगा. My bad. Okay, mass भी constant ही रहता है. Okay, we uh, weight is the quantity that changes. Like if you have 60 kg on Earth, you will be having how much kg on Moon? You are 60 kg on Earth, so you will be 10 kg on Moon. So the quantity which is affected is weight and not the universal gravitational constant. Clear? किसी को भी कोई डाउट? नाउ टेल मी करेक्ट आंसर. किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है तो करेक्ट आंसर बता दो सब लोग. ओके, there is answer from Sahil. Equal to value on earth. That is the correct answer, C. ठीक है, अगर कोई डाउट हो तो बता दो मुझे. नहीं है, ओके. चलो, 3-4 स्टूडेंट्स ने ही आंसर दिया, बट आई टेक इट एज कि आपको कोई भी डाउट नहीं है इसमें. ठीक है. So let me just mark the answer, that is C, equal to value on earth. Next and the last question from this chapter. The true free fall is possible only in or on moon, in vacuum, a surface of the earth, between sun and moon. So what is the correct answer? All right, in vacuum, everybody. No, Sahil, think you need to study a little bit. Okay, so it is in vacuum. So students, I want to ask you one question, as I think in your gravitation chapter, first chapter, you have one link for a video, YouTube video. How many of you have seen that? Sir, please show first to last question, please. Sir, network problem is there. Sneha, I think your name is Sneha. So, Sneha, don't worry about questions. Okay, even if you have network problem, these videos are recorded and these are uploaded on YouTube so that you can watch later on all the question and answers. Whatever every word I have said, you can again watch this on YouTube. Okay, so I don't need to like show all the questions again. You can watch it on YouTube. Is that clear? Is that okay? I hope. Okay. So my question was, how many of you have seen that YouTube video? The link is given in your book. So just wait for a second. Let me just show you that link. And if you haven't seen that video, please watch it after this class, not in the class. Okay. So just a second, students. Just a second. So this link will be very helpful for, wait, I'm not showing as of now the link to you. So I'm just explaining about it. So this link will help you to understand concept of free fall in a better way. Page number 11, you can write it down, page number 11, and this YouTube video is there. So this shows how the free fall works. Okay, there is one ball and there is one feeder, या फिर जो पंख रहता है ना किसी पंछी का feeder. So एक एक बॉल को और फीदर को अगर हम नीचे छोड़ देंगे, सो विच वन विल रीच टू द ग्राउंड फर्स्ट? कौन सी चीज ग्राउंड को पहले गिरेगी? गिव यू आंसर्स. बॉल और फीदर, ऑब्वियसली बॉल, राइट? बट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर एक्सपीरियंस, मतलब हमने जो देखा है हम वो बता रहे हैं. बट इफ यू सी इन दिस वीडियो देयर इज वन चैम्बर एंड इन विच the vacuum is there. Okay, vacuum chamber is there, and in that chamber the feeder and the ball is like made to free fall simultaneously, and you'll be shocked to know that both of them reach at the same time. You please go through this video. Okay, so let's not get distracted. We'll continue with our question answers. Okay, so vacuum is the correct answer, students. Option B is the correct. Okay, in if vacuum, same time to reach. Very good, Manan. ठीक है. So the next chapter that we are going to see is periodic classification of elements. First question, dash dash triad does not follow Dobbe-Reiner's law of triad. Which triad? Lithium, sodium, potassium, or calcium, strontium, barium? Barium, I think. Okay. Option C is that? No. Option D is the correct one. copper, gold, and silver. This is not Dobby-Renner's triad. Am I right or wrong? The question is, which triad does not follow the Dobby-Renner's law? All other three, they follows the law of. No, option C is not correct. Students, if you can go through your book, option C is wrong one. Let me just show you. Okay, so just wait for a second. I'll show you the thing. Okay, so you are giving option C. That is Be, Mg, and Ca. That is calcium, right? So if you can see this, यहाँ पे देखो 9 plus 41, sorry 40. How much it is? 49. 9 plus 40 is 49, and 49 divided by 2 is approx 24.5. So isn't it satisfying? Satisfy कर रहा है या फिर नहीं? It is satisfying, ना? It is satisfying Dober and asteroid. Okay, so please don't be sorry and all that. Okay, किसी को भी sorry बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's okay if the answer is incorrect, but it is not okay if you don't answer at all. So option D is correct one. Copper, Ag, and Au. Right. Question second. Out of the following scientist, dash dash does not related with classification of elements. Okay. Okay, so Rutherford is the correct answer. चलो ठीक है. Next one. Option B option also has Ca. How? It is possible, na? It is possible. If you can see, let me just show you. Just a second. Okay. So you were talking about this option B, right? And if you can see here, can you see it? Right? Doubt cleared? Prisha, I hope. Yeah. So let's go ahead. In Dober-Reiner's law, the atomic mass of middle element is dash dash of atomic mass of other two elements. So equal to mean, equal to sum, equal to proportion, and equal to subtraction. Which option is correct? So few students have given option A is correct, that is equal to mean, and which is correct. It is equal to mean, isn't it? So we just have seen Doberan has tried one of the, right? So option A is correct. Next question. Which properties of hydride and oxide are not according to Mendeleev's while organizing periodic table? Which of the properties not there in the Mendeleev's periodic table? Ductility, I think, isn't it? So ductility was not included or not was not considered. So option C is correct. सभी को समझ में आ रहा है ना? बिकॉज सिर्फ 4 लोगों ने आंसर दिया है एंड देयर आर approximately 27 or 26 students. So I expect at least answer from 50% students. That is, maybe 15 students should give the answer, right? So please give the answer, everyone. Chalo. So in Mendeleev's periodic table, Eka-boron was named as gallium, scandium, germanium, tungsten. Which one is correct? Okay, Manan is very sure that it is scandium. Okay, so everyone is giving answer that is scandium, and which is correct one. So mark it as scandium. Then in Mendeleev predictable, ecosilicon were named as dash dash gallium, scandium, uranium, germanium. Some of you are saying gallium, some of you are saying germanium. So option D is correct, students. Germanium is the right answer. Okay, I hope nobody has doubt about this. Germanium is the correct answer. Next one. In modern periodic table, number of groups and periods are, so students will do one thing. We'll put the modern periodic table in front of our eyes and then we can give the answers. Okay, so it will be very helpful for you to understand the concepts if you have any doubt in it. Okay, so let me just put the modern periodic table in front of you and then you can answer this question. So first of all, read the question. Seventh question, read karo. What is that? In modern periodic table, number of groups and number of periods are dash dash and dash dash respectively. So let me just find the modern periodic table. Okay, just a second. Just a second, students. Okay, here we go. Yeah. So जिनको पता नहीं है वो देख लो एक बार, ठीक है? So the rows or the horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. What are those? Horizontal lines are periods. Are they periods, right? They're period. And the vertical lines or the vertical blocks, vertical columns, those are groups. Correct or not? Yes, no, maybe. Yeah, it is. So 18 and 7 is the correct answer. जो लोग अभी 10th में गए हैं, like I think Anuj and Dheeraj, students, please don't mind. I'm taking the name of few students because I know them personally. Okay, like they live near us, so that's why. So आपको पता नहीं होगा अभी आप 10th में मतलब जा रहे हो ना, so you have modern periodic table in front of you. You can observe and give the answers, right? So the correct answer is 18,7. This answer is correct. ठीक है, अभी next question पढ़ो. Which of the following block is placed separately at the bottom of modern periodic table? F block सभी लोगों को आंसर आता है, सभी लोगों को पता है. जिनको नहीं पता है वो एक बार देख लो. So क्वेश्चन क्या था कि कौन सा ब्लॉक at the end of modern periodic table रखा गया है. So it can be clearly seen that F block is at the bottom. Okay, I hope this is clear for everyone. So F block is the answer. Let's move further. The dash dash block contains group 1 and group 2 elements. So group 1 और group 2 कौन से ब्लॉक में आते हैं? So इसे पहले हम देखेंगे और बाद में इसका आंसर देंगे. Remember which groups they are asking? Group 1 and group 2. तो मुझे बताओ group 1 और group 2 कौन से ब्लॉक में हैं? Students, सभी लोग बताओ. S ब्लॉक में है, right? So as you can see, this is group 1, this is group 2, and these two groups are under which block? S block. So S block is the correct answer. Dheeraj, you have to write answer like S block. Okay, तो S block के अंदर है. Very good. चलो, ठीक. So the answer for this is A, that is S block. Next question is atomic number of sum of elements are given. Which of the following elements would resemble with same group? तो इनमें से मान लीजिए हमें कोई भी दो एलिमेंट्स दिए हैं और उन दो एलिमेंट्स के एटॉमिक नंबर हमें पता है. सो ऐसी कौन सी पेयर होगी जो कि हमें सेम ग्रुप में देखने को मिल सकती है? सो पहली पेयर है, लेट अस सपोज एलिमेंट x इज देयर एंड इट हैज एटॉमिक नंबर 8 एंड एलिमेंट y इज देयर, इट हैज एटॉमिक नंबर 17. तो मुझे बताना जिसका एटॉमिक नंबर 8 है तो वो कौन से ग्रुप में रहेगा स्टूडेंट्स? मैंने ऑप्शन ए के लिए पूछा है. तो wait, try to understand first. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट। अभी देखो एटॉमिक नंबर 8 है, तो वो कौन से ग्रुप में रहेगा एलिमेंट, विच ग्रुप इट वुड बी? ग्रुप 16। ओके, एनी अदर आंसर्स? चलो ठीक है, आप पीरियोडिक टेबल देख लो। सी, देख के बताओ अभी। अन्वय हैज गिवन आंसर 16। ग्रुप 16 इज द करेक्ट आंसर, ग्रुप 16 में रहेगा, राइट। अभी व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट वन? नेक्स्ट वन इज 17। अगर किसी का 17 है, 17 एटॉमिक नंबर है, तो 17 वाला कहां पे रहेगा बताओ जरा? ग्रुप 17 में रहेगा, देख लो यहाँ पे, है ना? तो दोनों एक ग्रुप में है क्या, सेम ग्रुप में है क्या दोनों? नहीं है, फर्स्ट वन इज इन 16th ग्रुप, सेकंड वन इज इन 17th ग्रुप। सो if you go like this, so you'll find that which option is correct, students? B option is correct. Let us suppose we have an element whose atomic number is 11 and other element which is having atomic number 19. So both of them will be in the same group. We will verify it also. So as you can see, sodium and potassium are there and their atomic number is 11 and 19 respectively, and they are in a same group. Doubts till this? I hope not. Let's go further. In the modern periodic table, non-metals are arranged in which block? S block, P block, D block, F block. Wait for the screen to show modern periodic table. So tell me, non-metals are where? Where are non-metals placed? P block में है, right? You can see here, na? Carbon is non-metal, nitrogen is non-metal, oxygen, fluorine, neon, helium. So these all are under P block. So P block is the correct answer, right? So shall I take this answer? Option B is correct. Very good. Chalo. In the modern periodic table, as we go down a group, which of the following properties does not increases? Read the question again. In the modern periodic table, as we go down a group में हम जैसे जैसे नीचे जाएंगे, so which of the following properties does not increase? तो कौन सी property increase नहीं होगी? Atomic radius increase होगी या नहीं होगी? You tell me. Atomic radius increase होगी या नहीं होगी? Obviously it will increase. Number of it will increase ना Anvay, isn't it? जैसे जैसे हम ग्रुप्स में नीचे जाएंगे, so number of electrons बढ़ेंगे, right? So obviously atomic radius change होगी, metallic character भी बढ़ेगा, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी द आंसर। वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं बढ़ेंगे, समझ रहे हो? वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल डिक्रीज इंस्टेड ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग। नंबर ऑफ शेल्स भी इंक्रीज होगी, ऑब्वियसली एटॉमिक रेडियस इंक्रीज हो रही है, उसका मतलब नंबर ऑफ शेल्स इंक्रीज हो रही है, बराबर। सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज द one thing or one property that will not increase as we go down a group. All right, next question is which of the following is not a inert gas? इसमें से इनर्ट गैस कौन सा नहीं है? नियॉन, क्रिप्टॉन, रेडियम, xenon, which of them is not a inert gas? Radium is the correct answer, everyone. This is very easy question, so you should give answer very quickly. Radium, option C is correct. All right, all good. Alkaline earth metal have valency 2, so their position is in which group? वैलेंसी 2 है, तो कौन से ग्रुप में उनकी पोजीशन रहेगी? ग्रुप 2 में उनकी पोजीशन रहेगी। ग्रुप 2 इज द करेक्ट आंसर, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट वन, इन द मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल halogens belong to what? Group 17. Okay, very fast, very fast, very good. Let's go further. Atomic size is expressed in units: millimeter, picometer, decimeter, and angstrom. So I don't know any these kind of any unit even exists. Picometer is the answer. Okay, option B, that is picometer. S- Somebody is giving answer decameter. Okay, good. Angstrom does not exist. All right. So picometer is the answer. Now tell me, 1 meter is equals to sorry, 1 picometer is equals to how many meters? एक picometer, ये p भी small चाहिए, ये small p है. 1 picometer is equals to how much meters or how many meters? 10 raised to the power minus 12 meters. Very good. So 10 raised to the power minus 12 meters is the correct answer. अब 10 raised to the power minus 9 लिखूंगा तो क्या होगा? नैनोमीटर्स होगा. 10 raised to the power 6 लिखूंगा तो क्या होगा? माइक्रोमीटर होगा. 10 raised to the power minus 3 लिखूंगा तो क्या होगा? मिलीमीटर होगा. बराबर. तो ये सारे का कैलकुलेशन आपको पता होने चाहिए. Okay, so which option is correct, students? Picometer is correct. Next one. Elements having tendency to form cation is called what? Metallic character, right? Okay, so it is metallic character. Now, next one. The distance between nucleus and outermost shell is called the distance between nucleus and outermost shell is called atomic radius. बराबर. न्यूक्लियस में और आउटर मोस्ट शेल में जो डिस्टेंस है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? एटॉमिक रेडियस कहते हैं. एवरीबॉडी गिव आंसर. 4 ही लोगों ने आंसर दिया है. चलो ठीक है. atomic radius is the correct answer, right? Now, which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Inert gas elements are placed at bottom of periodic table. From left to right, metallic character increases. There are 3 blocks S, P, D, F. As we go down the group, atomic radius increases. Option B is correct. Okay. Was it for the previous one or for this one? For this one option, which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which one? Inert gas elements are placed at the bottom of periodic table. I think this is wrong. This is not correct. Where are those? Inert gases are at the rightmost side or in the uh, 18th group, I think. All right, हाँ. और from left to right, metallic character increase होता है क्या? नहीं. It decreases. Right? It decreases. Then there are 3 blocks. SPDF. यहाँ पे 3 blocks बोला है और blocks का नाम कितना लिखा है? 4 blocks का नाम लिखा है. Right? So option C is also not correct. So option D is that as we go down the group, atomic radius increases. That is quite correct. बराबर ना, जैसे हम नीचे जाएंगे वैसे वैसे atomic radius increase होती है. Okay. So which of the following statement is incorrect about halogen? Which of the following statement is incorrect about halogen? A. These elements placed near zigzag line. These elements belong to group 17. 7 electron in outermost shell. Atomic size increases from top to bottom. So all other three are correct except the first one, that these elements are placed near zigzag line. ये zigzag line के पास में नहीं होते. Right? Where is zigzag line? Let me just show you. This is the zigzag line we are talking about, isn't it? See this one. Sorry, you cannot see it. Okay. So this is the zigzag line. So which elements are near a zigzag line? Can anybody tell? What is their characteristic? The elements which are, yeah, these are metalloids or semiconductors, right? And where are halogens? Halogens are here in the 17th group. These are halogens, right? Okay. So this option is actually incorrect, but our answer is this one. Our correct answer is this one, right? So students, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Like, you were very silent throughout the class and very responsive throughout the class. I'm very happy with you. Okay, and I think we'll see. I'll see you in the next class, maybe, right? Sahil, what is there in the 15th question? Yeah, this is the 15th question, and if you have any doubts, you can refer the YouTube video. Okay, YouTube video has all the questions recorded, right? So students, shall we end the class for today? चलो ठीक है, bye bye everyone. Now you can leave the class. Bye.